Good morning. Today, I from Mukla Sanskrit Upsastri College, Bandhu Chapra from Bhojpur is going to conduct the online class, and from the online class, I will tell you all about the voice. In the previous class, we have discussed about the voice means the past perfect, the composition of past perfect in voice, and today we will discuss about the composition of future indefinite. As I have already tell you all that in future the perfect continuous means future perfect continuous, there is no composition for this. But in modern grammar, according to the modern grammar, the future continuous is also not in the voice, but then also we will study, so our so we will become good in voice also, because we can also make. So let us start from indefinite, future indefinite. There is a small change in the composition of future indefinite. Like, let us see subject plus shall will plus be. This is only the small change. Plus v3 plus object plus by plus object. This is the composition for affirmative sentence. Please remember that in future tenses be is used, and sometimes being is also used in continuous. When we will do the composition of future continuous, then we will use here being also. So for that much time, let us focus on this topic. So let us take a normal active sentence of future indefinite. So let us take that he will complete this task on time. इस सेंटेंस का हिंदी होगा कि वह समय पर यह कार्य को कर लेगा, क्योंकि ये फ्यूचर है इसलिए इसका अंतिम में गा लगेगा, गा. So let us do the passive of the sentence. So let us do according to the composition. So here this task is the object in this sentence, so we will make the subject according to the composition. So this task is a singular word, so we will use here will, then we will use here be, then completed, here we see that there is one more object on time, so we will use it here according to this. So on time, by him. So the passive sentence of this active sentence will be this task will be completed on time by him. So let us do now negative sentence. Now the question arises that where will be the not? but as I have already tell you that not always comes after the auxiliary verb, so the not will be after the shall will and before the be. So let us write the composition here. So the composition will be subject plus shall will plus not plus be plus v3 plus object plus by plus object. Okay, so let us take an example. Let us take an active sentence as Mr. Pathak will not teach us which subject. Let us do English only. Okay, so think what will be the positive of this. So I am doing the positive here because the space has been ended. So the passive of this sentence will be, let us again do by this composition. So the English or us, there is two subject. There is two subject, that there is English or us. So we can make any. So I can show you. First will be like English. English is a singular, so we will use here will not be teach. V3 is taught, so taught then here will be to us because we need to add some preposition to add us, as we know that the preposition are those words which joins two words or noun or pronoun. So we are using here to because to is a preposition. So English will not be taught to us by Mr. Pathak. So one will be like this, and if we see of another passive voice, so let us do. So the next we can start from us only, this us. So let us do we shall, because we is a plural word, so we are using here shall. So we shall not be taught to us, sorry taught social science, English by Mr. Pathak. So these are the passives of this negative sentence, and miss this active sentence because here was two objects, so we had used the passive voice in two forms, and we can use, and both are correct. Now we come on interrogative sentence. So the composition will be same like in the normal affirmative sentence, but the only difference is that the auxiliary verb will come first, like shall will become first, shall will, plus subject plus B plus V3 plus object plus by plus object. Okay, and question mark, very much important, question mark. So let us take some example in active sentence, such as will you forget my mistake? This means that क्या तुम मेरी गलती को भूल जाओगे? So let us do the passive of this sentence with the help of our own composition. So the my mistake is here as the object, so we will use first my mistake here only. So my mistake is a singular. My mistake is a singular word, so we will use here will. So will my mistake be forgotten by you? Okay, so this much is enough. So now you all will try to do the next three types of sentences, such as interrogative plus negative, term, and term plus negative. I will tell you some hint or like the composition, like in the interrogative plus negative, add not after the subject and before the be, and in term sentences add term before the auxiliary verb, and in the term plus negative sentences add term before the auxiliary verb and adds not after the subject and before the be. So you all will get the composition of these three, and try to do some more sums related to vice, and by this only our future indefinite tense has come to an end. So this much is enough for you all. Thank you. Have a good day.